Hey guys, this is Brett with Lone Rock Concepts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Overland water pump kit. The install for the Scepter jerry can and the US military water can is going to be exactly the same. The only difference is that the thread pitch on the two adapter components is slightly different. So first thing you're going to do is just twist off the cap. You're going to take your hose and the adapter kit and insert it through the hole in the middle. Once that is slid through, you can put your plastic weight on the bottom end. The dimples are going to be face up. Once your hose is threaded through, attach the pump to the hose. So the hose inside, and simply just screw on. If it gets tightened, it's on the wrong end, you just pop it off, push it on until it's snug. And take your metal spigot, insert it in whatever desired position. Be mindful that when you're inserting it, it doesn't need to go that deep, just until you feel it gets snug. You can turn it up if you want to use it as a drinking fountain or whatever position is best for you. Be mindful that when you're taking it out, you keep your fingers on the plastic component and you just twist it out lightly. It'll pop right out. When it comes time to put your kit away, you can just screw it off with it still installed. Empty out the pump, make sure there's no water, and then just stick it inside your bag. And this is for the military can, and like I said, it's going to be exactly the same on the Scepter jerry can as well. Thank you guys so much for your business. Happy camping, and let us know if you have any questions at info@lonerockconcepts.com.